Hi all, in this video we will try to find out that how much data we are going to consume while designing this system. So in what means this will help you is that you can find out that how much storage it's going to use, and then you can find out that if you are putting a cache layer on top of it, that then how much you can support using cache, and then what all the things you have to store. Given that how much data you have to store, you can decide on the which type of persistent storage you are going to use. So we will try to find out. These are all the mathematical terms, so it's like you have to put some numbers. It's not like that they will be the same numbers what I am putting. It's just to give you a kind of direction that you have to do this step, and this will help you to put some sort of concrete design whenever you are going for an interview design. So let's try to find out for suppose our user data, how much we will be needing for user data. We'll need user id 4 bytes, then name for 20 bytes, email for 32 bytes, date of birth 4 bytes, and then creation date 4 bytes, and then all those things. So if we combine all of this, it comes to 68 bytes. So it's the thing is like whatever we have chosen in our database schema design, I have kept those only, like user id, photo, path, and all those things only I have for user name, email, date of birth, creation date, last login. These things only I have considered. So this comes to 68 byte, and then if as in earlier phase of our design we have assumed, you can assume any number, and depending upon that you can do calculations, and always try to take some easy ones so that you can do calculations easily. So with 500 million user multiplied by 62, we can go for approximately 32 GB. Now let's try to find out for the photo how much data will be needing. Again, this data is the same which we have used while kind of doing a database design or schema design for our Instagram. So photo ID, combining all of this, it all comes to 284 byte, and then with 2 million photo updates every day if we consider, then it goes approximately 0.5 GB per day approximately. And for 10 years if we go for it, approximately goes for 1.8 some TB storage data will be requiring. And then for user follow also we have to do same thing. So what we can do, so just imagine that every user will have on average 500 followers. So with that one, 500 million into 500 and then 8 byte, we can go for 1.88 approximately 1.8 TB or 1.9 we can consider. So now if we try to calculate the complete data required for metadata one, it will go approximately for 32 GB for user, 1.8 for photo, and then 1.8 for user follow, and then which it comes to 3.7 TB. So what will happen, this gives you a rough idea of how much storage you are going for, how much storage you are looking for, and all those things. It's just a part of designing. It shows that you are kind of looking at very broad level and you are owning things. You are trying to keep track of each and everything of the system which you are going to design.